Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You guys are going to be excited for this video. It is going to be us tearing down the top end of the motor and figuring out why cylinder 3 doesn't have compression. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah. What's up?
Move.
Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. This is the one that had no compression, so.
Right.
And this is the one we couldn't get the spark plug out of. That spark plug stuff is ripped out.
Is it rings? Something's wrong with them. These two.
Yeah. That doesn't look too
I
healthy.
think my
This does not look healthy either. Oh, that's just the
No.
cover.
That's a blown head gasket.
Oh, yep. Blown head gasket. That's for
That's
one.
oil.
Well,
Hopefully.
that's gonna happen with this right here.
Okay. Here, just leave it. Just stop. Leave that on there.
Junk that. I don't need that no more.
Keep them dowel pins in there. I
Those-
do not want to lose them.
Yeah.
And all there really is.
Okay, that one's really smooth. This one.
I just want to make sure there's no scoring or anything.
Yeah.
Okay, big socket. You see like a really long, was that 27 millimeter? Oh, you can turn it with your hands. Okay, do that.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. That's tight as hell right now. Hang on.
Loosen it.
Take that thing out. Take it out.
I
take the-
can't. You can't take it out. It's
This-
timing cover. I'll hold it.
Alright. Spin it with you. We gotta spin that.
It's fine. Keep going. They're fine.
Alright. Now all of a sudden you're moving
Put
at
it at the
once.
top, Dad. Hold that, Cam.
Ooh, that's
water and oil,
yeah. Yep.
which is the cause of a blown head gasket. I hope that's all. Now the only thing to really find to do is take the bottom half of the engine out,
Mm-hmm.
which will be in a different video.
Yeah.
This video is mainly just top end work.
Pretty
We
much.
got
It's
bar.
we got real far, dude.
We almost got a bare block.
I know. This is looking
So,
really good.
this is basically all this video for the the video that we just recorded was just tearing down the top end. So that's going to be it for this video. The next video is going to be us getting down into the bottom end, pistons, rods, seeing if the piston rings are bad. Maybe it was just the blown, you know what?
Head gasket.
The head gasket would cause no compression.
It would?
It would, yeah, there would be no compression with the blown head gasket.
Could that be why you
and
got...
it was blown right by that cylinder.
Could that be why you got air out of the intake and exhaust?
That would be a valve problem, but I
Okay.
also got it out of the coolant, which would be
Yeah.
But this one also didn't. We didn't know how much compression this cylinder had.
And it wouldn't
But
have any. It
looking
wouldn't
at
have any either.
Well, if you look right here, yeah, this one.
Because of this part right broke right
Well,
here.
look how dry these are compared to these
Yes,
two.
but it was cracked right here, so this one and this one would have nothing.
Yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's gonna be kind of a back-to-back video. We're gonna post a video Friday, which is it'll be the day before this video comes out. So if you guys haven't seen us pulling the motor, go watch that video. Let us know in the comments what you guys want to see from us. So we'll catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.